But in what we just talked about, we actually have touched upon what's so-called content-based filtering. In other words, just look at an individual column or row. Column corresponds to movie. Let's say individual column. Do not worry about what the other columns show. And this is similar in a crude analogy to the Google, if Google were computing a relevance score. But if you want to do importance score by looking at the connectivity pattern among the web page, or in this case, what the other movies showing tell about this movie, then you need to go to from content-based to collaborative filtering. You say, why do I care about what the other movies are like? Because maybe certain movies are liked by a particular user. Okay? And as far as that user is concerned, maybe these two movies are very similar. And therefore, I would be able to say these two are neighbor movies. Okay? So if some user likes this movie, maybe she'll like this movie too. They're basically defining a neighborhood relationship between movies. Now, we could also do a neighborhood relationship construction for the users. If certain users from the different existing entries show their tastes are very similar, maybe then if user 3 likes a movie, user 4, even though she hasn't watched the movie, will like it too. This actually is what we intuitively do a lot of times. There's another idea which is a little more involved, and we'll postpone it to advanced material part of the video, is to say that maybe there are some kind of feature sets about these movies. For example, is this a romantic movie or action movie, a thriller movie, a sci-fi movie? Is it long? Is it short? And so on. And these feature sets is a much smaller set than the set of possible movies. There might be 20,000 movies, but only about, say, 20 different genres. And I will try to extract the underlying reason why certain movies liked or disliked by some people. And these two are the two key distinct approaches of collaborative filtering: the neighborhood method and what's called the latent factor method. These latent factors are these feature set entries. We will focus on neighborhood method and then reserve latent factor method for the advanced materials.